Okay, so this is the last of the compound measures topics, which is about pressure. So pressure will tell us, for example, whether or not a surface will break. So if you decided that you wanted to pierce somebody's skin, you could do that either by using a very, very big force, or you could do it by using a very, very sharp needle. The sharper the needle, the smaller the force, because the pressure at the end becomes much greater with a smaller area. So this is a really useful skill for things like in physics or in biology, because surfaces will be able to withstand a certain pressure. So the definition of pressure here is that it's the force exerted on a unit of area. So the force is always in newtons, and it's exerted on a unit of area measured in either centimetres squared or metres squared. So here we're told that 200 newtons is exerted on 5 centimetres squared. So 200 newtons on 5 centimetres squared. I want to know the pressure, and that's going to be in newtons per square centimetre, so I want to know for 1 centimetre squared. And it should be fairly clear there that I just divide by 5, in which case I need to do the same over here. 200 divided by 5 gives me a pressure of 40 newtons per centimetre squared. 40 newtons per centimetre squared. Okay, let's take a look at a slightly more difficult question. A rectangular stamp measures 10 by 20 centimetres. So if we think about what that area is, that's going to be 200 centimetres squared. The pressure is 800 newtons per centimetre squared. So I've got 800 newtons from 1 centimetre squared, but I know that the area that I'm looking at is actually 200 centimetres squared. So what am I going to have to do? Well, times by 200. 800 times 200, 8 times 2 is 16, I've got 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros, so it gives me an answer of 160,000 newtons. Okay, pause the video now while you just write down those worked examples. When you're ready, press play and have a go at the questions below. Okay, so 6 questions for you to try. The first 2 you're looking at finding the pressure, the next 2 you're looking at finding the force, and then the last 2 you're looking at finding the area. Pause the video now while you have a go at the questions. When you're ready, press play and see if you can correct your solutions.